My name is Alex Facundo. I am a part of the Penn State wrestling team. I wrestle at 165.
Hi, my name is Steen, and I wrestle 125 pounds for Penn State.
And today we're going to be making peanut butter blossom cookies. Okay, so we're going to start making these peanut butter blossoms. First, what we're going to do is we're going to mix the peanut butter with the shortening. After we add both of those, we're going to start mixing it. Okay, after it's mixed, we're going to add a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and some brown sugar. Gary's going to do that. Just put it all in there. Then after it's added, we're going to mix it again. Okay, after we mix those, we're going to add in an egg, some milk and vanilla. I'm going to add the milk and vanilla. I'll let Gary do the honors of doing the egg. Now after it's all added in, we're going to mix it again. Now for the last part, for the mixing, we're just going to add in some flour, baking soda, and salt. And then mix it one last time. Yeah, it's a little thick, you can see. So I first started making this recipe when my mom always made it for Christmas, and that was kind of a Christmas tradition. She would make a bunch of different cookies, but this always seemed to be our favorite, me and my brothers. And so about this year, I was like, it's time to grow up and start making them myself. And I actually made a batch last week, so this is pretty good practice. And yeah, usually they turn out pretty good.
He made probably like 12 of them, and we just smashed them.
Nah, I made more than that. They just saw 12. So now after it's all mixed together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll these into about one inch. And then after we roll them, we're gonna dip them in some salt again, or some sugar to have it roll around in it. And then after that, we're gonna place it on the cookie pan and then put it into the oven. You wanna help?
Yeah, let me get in there.
And as these are in the oven, they're gonna grow a little bit. So you wanna space them out about an inch or two away. All right, after you preheat the oven to about 350, you're gonna just put them in, and then it's usually about 8 to 10 minutes, or you can eyeball it just to see if they're like golden brown.
Should I put this on the bottom?
Yeah. After they're put in, you just let it sit. And then after that, we're gonna put the Hershey Kisses on top. So after you take them out of the oven, now we're gonna put the Hershey Kisses on top. Almost all of them look perfect, except for the one that Gary just crushed, taken out of the oven. So now you just push it into the center. Then usually, depending on how thick you make these, they should go in perfectly without the cookie falling apart. So it looks like we did a pretty good job so far. What does your family do for Christmas, Gary?
Me and my mom usually will spend some time making some gingerbread houses. And usually after we're done doing that, we'll get in the car and we'll just drive around and look at all the decorations and how well people decorate their houses with Christmas lights and just decorations. How about you?
Okay. Now we just bake a lot of goods. We just try to get fat at Christmas. So this is a really good start right here.
How's that go with making weight?
Not well. Yeah, my dad yells at me a lot, not gonna lie. Cheers. Happy holidays.
Those are fire.
Pretty good. Not too bad.
it.